Hello everyone. Now this is one Seagate SSHD data recovery case from one DFL user in Indonesia. So we can check in the log window. We have unlocked the firmware error, and now we can see the module is available. So we need to back up the ng list. Now let's check the working directory here. SYS ROM okay, so we can back up the SYS here to back up the ng list, the translator, and sometimes we back up the SYS 93 and 34 sets. After this one, we need to go to the initialize ID, the ATM mode, and we need to keep this one on and untick all others. Now click modify. Also check the V40 and regenerate the translator. Now we can try to go to the DFL DDP data recovery software to check the data. Anyway, this client has only the Seagate firmware repair software module, so we can try to check the data error. Now we can see the data error is fully accessible. We can check the ending part, like 1900, and click start. Now we can see it's almost 100% accessible for the data error. So users just need to go to the DDP data recovery software and recover all the lost data easily. Thank you for watching the video.